Hello loves, Beauty and Beyond by Demi here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to create a winged eyeliner look. So let's get right into it. I use a hand mirror because it gives me more control of what I see. I begin to stroke the eyeliner outwards. Make sure while doing this you are close to the lash line. I am not using too much pressure, I am just stroking little by little. I'm slowly building up the intensity and thickness of the eyeliner. The rule of thumb when using liquid eyeliner is to recognize there is a flat side of the brush and a thin side of the brush. Against the lash line, I use the flat side to distribute the product, and I use the thin side of the brush to wing out my liner. While creating your eyeliner look, make sure your hand is loose so you get more advantage of the tool you're using and everything will just flow better. When you finish distributing the product towards the lash line, now start to begin to wing it out with a slight flicking motion. A good tip to making sure your eyeliner matches your eye shape is to extend your wing to the end of your eyebrow. This ensures that your eyeliner isn't too long for your eye. As you can see, I flicked the eyeliner outwards to create the shape. Loosen your hand and create less pressure when flicking your eyeliner. Now we are going to take a little bit of product to fill that little triangle in. Make sure the wing of your eyeliner isn't too dull and you go back to build intensity as I'm doing right now. It's not a necessary step, but you can use concealer to sharpen the edge of your wing. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. Ooh, look at those lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this liquid eyeliner wing tutorial. Now you have eyeliner sharp enough to kill a man. Thanks for watching. Bye!